Alright, so this is our last video on solving first degree algebraic expressions with just one step. Next we're going to move into multi-step, but we have some multiplication and division situations here. So again, we're going to use the opposite operation method, and then we'll take a look at the do-undo method. So using the opposite operation method, we need to get this x by itself. So we have x being multiplied by -4 in this case. So -4 times x equals 12. So it's the opposite operation of multiplying by -4, it's dividing by -4. So I need to divide this -4 on the other side. So I have x equals 12, staying where they are. And again, this is times over here. The opposite of times is divide. I'm multiplying by -4, so then I need to divide by -4. It's the opposite operation, not the opposite sign, so it's still -4. So calculating this now, 12 divided by -4. That's a positive and a negative. Those signs are different, so we're going to have a negative answer. 12 divided by 4 is 3. In the next case, we have x divided by 3 equals 5. So we're dividing by 3 here. We have this division by 3. We got to move that to the other side and do the opposite operation, which would be multiplication. So x and 5 stay. And we were dividing by 3, so the opposite operation of dividing by 3 is multiplying by 3. Again, we don't change the sign, we just change the operation from division to multiplication. And we have 5 times 3 is 15. Now, with the do-undo method, we again would start with our x. We are multiplying by -4, and then we are getting 12. There's our do. So the opposite of everything to undo it, we would start with 12. We would divide by -4, and that would get us our x. So starting with 12, and then we have 12 divided by -4, which is -3, and thus our x is equal to -3. In the next one, x divided by 3 equals 5, so we start with x. We divide x by 3, and we get 5. That's our do. To undo that, we would start with 5, multiply by 3, and that would get us x. So start with 5. 5 times 3 in the next line here is our 15. And then our x is thus equal to 15. So again, you decide which method you like the most and use whichever one makes more sense.